Who is the composer of the Philippine national anthem? A. Julian Felipe. B. Jose Rizal. C. Juan Luna. D. Marcelo H. Del Pella. The correct answer is A. Julian Felipe, who is known as the great Filipino orator of the propaganda movement. A. Severino Reyes. B. Francisco Balthazar. C. Graciano Lopez Haina. D. Marcelo H. Del Paella. The correct answer is C. Graciano Lopez Haina, who is known as the father of modern Tagalog poetry. A. Narciso Reyes. B. Francisco Balthazar. C. Alejandro Abadilla. D. Jose Palmer. The correct answer is C. Alejandro Abadilla, who was the leader of the Ilocano Revolt. A. Diego Silong. B. Gregorio de Jesus. C. Jose Palmer. D. Apolinario Mabini. The correct answer is A. Diego Silong.